Okay, so I'm gonna show you our attempt at a speedometer. Gonna turn on the helmet system. Can you? Then I'm gonna turn on the motorcycle system. Can you see that pretty well? Okay, so the speedometer is over here on this side right here. I'm gonna start turning the wheel. So you can see it changing, and it's relatively close to 14, which is now somewhat similar to our speedometer. The only thing is, occasionally we get some random jumps in numbers, and I try to even this out as a, there it is, like that for example. I try to even this out with an averaging, or maybe some sort of other filter I could use later on. But right now, this is what we have so far. And now, if you come over here, I'm gonna reprogram. It, basically showing that we can actually write whatever we want onto it. So it's more of a what the speedometer is doing, and not what the micro is doing. All right, turning it on. All right, so I took off this transceiver. That's why it's paused there. Back to me. Okay, so programming it. Oh crap. And programming it. It's programmed. And now it goes back to the transceiver. Okay, and now let's see. Okay. So now, if you come over here, I'm going to start spinning it, and I have this incrementing every magnet. So I'm going to spin it pretty slowly. Now you can see it actually incrementing. I'm going to spin it faster. And so yeah, it's more of the speedometer system that prevents us from reading it accurately so far, but we're working on it. Okay.
And again, this is just kind of what we came up with in the last, 5 hours. We started at midnight, and it is now, 5:50, as a result of, the lack of having a working or tested system at all for a speedometer. So again, for 5 or 6 hours, this is not bad, I think.
And we also attempted using a reed switch, recommended by Robert. It's just another magnetic sensing device. 2 metal pieces move together when a magnetic field hits it. It didn't actually work out as well as we expected, just because it had some debouncing issues, and I think the Hall effect sensor actually takes care of most of it. So this is what we have so far.
All right, thanks.